Hi, Lady Esther here. Welcome back to my channel. My channel is about beauty, skincare, and deep thoughts. Today I'm going to be doing a Fab Fit Fun unboxing. If you're interested in this today, please stick around. Okay, I thought it was going to be a lot easier than this. Okay. So I don't remember what I got. It looks like that. The good thing is this box is smaller, so I can actually keep it on my table right here. So this is what it comes with, the Fab Fit Fun. I'm just unboxing this. I'm not saying I endorse this. I have to give disclaimers here. Because I'm pretty much going to cancel my membership. You know, I just paid for a year membership. It's kind of fun, or I could change my mind, but I don't like to have subscription memberships. So, okay, so I guess I picked out the Korres Renewing Body Cleanser. Renewing Body Cleanser. Yes, I did pick this out. Okay, so I took the package off the body cleanser and I smelled it, and I don't really like the way it smells. So I will have to get back to you on that. It's Renew and Hydrate, and let me put my glasses on here. Santorini Grape, a fresh fruity aroma of juicy grapes, berries, and violet with a hint of lime. Oh, okay, I do smell the hint of lime. The gel to foam shower gel combines aloe extract, wheat proteins. Oh, I can't pronounce that. Some other stuff. To help maintain skin's natural moisture level for a comforted clean each day. Okay, so I will have to get back to you on, and I will put my opinion in the box below after I use this. It does have, okay, off the bat, it does have sodium lauryl sulfate, which I'm surprised. It's 88.3% natural origin content. Clean formula, made in Greece, apothecary born, farmer grade purified water, recyclable packaging. Boy, there's so many different things here. Following our conscience since 1996, formulated by women, a 500 times efficacy and safety test formula, supports 1,000+ organic farmer families, eco-friendly manufacturing process, and recyclable packaging. And what did I get? Now, hashtag now you can. What in the world is this? I don't think I ordered this. I didn't order this. Malt beverage. Yes, it's alcohol. It's an alcohol-free malt beverage. I did not order that, so I'm not happy with this. So I do think I do think I put this on my list. This is Moroccan Spice Candle Soy Blend, handcrafted goods. I can't pronounce that. There it goes. Okay, so I want to try to go a little faster. You know, some days you have days where people don't bother you through the day, and then other days, like the doorbell's ringing, the dog's barking. It's crazy. Okay, I think she's going to start barking. Chloe, you want to come over here? So, oh, this is nice. Okay, so I'm happy. Yes, I remember this because of this tin. Oh, it already smells really good. So, there's the candle in this tin, and then I would use this tin for storing stuff after I burn the candle. Spicy. It's like sweet and spicy. What is this scent? Moroccan Spice. I can't really describe it to you. Maybe there may be some. It kind of smells a little cinnamony, but maybe not. I don't know, it does smell spicy. So I'm happy with this So that's the first item I'm actually happy with. I don't know about the body wash, but I think I did pick out the body wash. Okay, what is this? Clean Luxury Hair Mask, Gloss Modern, Clean Luxury Collection, sulfate-free, paraben-free, and vegan. I do believe I picked this one out. And it's a resplendent moisture treatment for hair for instant gratification and soiree-worthy shine. Use weekly or daily and leave on hair for as long as desired. Rinse, get glossed. Okay, so the smell test. Okay. Oh, this one's cruelty free. On that other body wash, I didn't see cruelty free for those of you who are interested in that. Oh, it smells good. It kind of reminds me of the old suntan lotion that I used to use. It does smell really good. So it passes my smell test. So I will get back to you after I use it. I will put my comments below. And then I'll get back to you on this after I burn this later. Okay, so here's another thing I did pick out. Ren Clean Skincare. I picked this out because I have used other... There it goes. I've used other Ren products. Evercalm Global Protection Day Cream. Clean Skin, Clean Your Planet. Nourishes and combats skin discomfort. It's for sensitive skin. It is, let's see, a moisturizer formulated for sensitive skin to help combat skin discomfort that can lead to visible premature aging. The formula replenishes the skin for a renewed healthy glow. Skin type: sensitive skin, delicate skin, skin affected by pollution. I have sensitive skin. To use, gently massage onto face and neck until absorbed. And it says something about infinity recycling. What was okay, so it's vegan, recyclable. It's good for 9 months. Black currant seed oil, rich in omega-3 to help nourish and soothe the skin. Sea buckhorn oil, berry oil, rich in omega-7 to soften the skin. And camellia oil to replenish the skin. Let me get closer here. I like it's in a pump. Okay. Oh, it looks really nice. It doesn't appear to have a fragrance. There we go, finally. Okay, so when I rubbed it, it smells very natural. It doesn't, I don't know if it has added fragrance. Let me look. It feels really good. But sometimes what happens is things will feel really good on my hand, but then when I put them on my face, they're too heavy. So it feels really good on my hand for now. Oh, 100% natural fragrance. It has citronellol, geraniol, limonene. It does have like water and some type of alcohol in the second ingredient. Uncommon James. Oh, okay, let me show you the back. Hammered copper canisters. Nice. I'm really happy with this. This is very practical. Anyway. So it has this wooden top here. It has like some type of seal, plastic seal, and then how many does it have? There's another one inside. I don't know if there's 3 or just 2. We'll find out. There's the second one. No, just 2. Just 2. So we have Wait, I want to show you in comparison to the candle. Here's the candle. And then that's with the smaller one, and here's the candle in comparison to the larger one. And then we'll just compare it to the Ren product here, size wise. Okay. What am I going to do with this? It's really pretty. I'll have to figure that out. I'm going to keep these. The other items, on my first box, I did give some of those other items away. But I like these. These are really pretty. And then this. I'm happy with it. The candle smells really good. Wait, and I think it was soy. I'm going back on this, but it's soy. It says soy blend. So I will be trying this out today. Oh, this is nice. This little, what is it? Vera Bradley velvet pouch. This is a nice item as everything falls down. It's, colors. It looks more, the color on the screen looks more vibrant, but it's still pretty, like, I don't know, a raspberry color or something. And let's see what we got here. Oh, look at that. So look at the inside of that. It's lined. It's very nice. It's a compact organizer. This is very useful. I like it. But a lot of times I like my items like this to have handles. There's no handle. I would have liked a little handle somewhere. Or like, you know, something hanging off the side or something. I don't know. Okay, look at that. That's cute. That's very cute. This is very nice. Let me see. There we go. 100% polyester cotton. It's a polyester cotton blend with the polyurethane foam in the inside. It's going to go in the gift packaging. So, like I said, this was a really good item, and I like the candle, and the containers are very practical. As far as these items, like this one smells really good. This one is natural, feels good, but I'm kind of skeptical about how that's going to feel. So if I don't like this one, I will be passing this on. This has potential. Usually I do really well with conditioners. Shampoos are really, my hair is really picky about the shampoos I use. Most of the time conditioners are products that, you know, usually work for me. The majority of the time. So, oh, this, I didn't like this. I don't know what I'm going to do with that. Well, I guess that was it. Now I have to clean up this mess. So, hopefully you enjoyed seeing what was in the Fall Fab Fit Fun box that I got. And be on the lookout for, what is the next one? Winter? I've never done this before. I'm assuming winter, spring, and then spring. Okay, so if you like this video, please click the like button. Please click the subscribe button to subscribe to my channel. Be sure and hit the bell button to be reminded of new videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye, everybody.